Make a great choice today with the 2026 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.